back to my channel. Yes, so today I am going to discuss some more points which I learned from the most powerful speaker in this world, Tony Robbins. Now, what am I learning from his extensive training in Singapore in 2018 January? So I learned so many things. One of them was the wheel of life. I am talking about that wheel of life in so many videos because I am so much excited and I learned so much from that particular topic that I have completely transformed my lifestyle and completely transformed my income sources. I started income in multiple sources and I completely transformed myself. So that Success Gyan training which I had, I learned point number one, it is very much necessary to balance in between your life, your health, your spirituality, your income sources and your family and relationship. Point number two, it is very much important to change your environment instead of blaming others or blaming others within your environment. So remove all the negative things, avoid all those persons whom you feel that who is giving some negative impact on your lifestyle or your thinking, your thought. Remove those persons, try to avoid. If you cannot avoid them, ignore them and remove all the negativities and bring all the positive things within you and in your environment, and you are the person who can do that. And point number three, even in 2018 I learned that you need to change and you need to adapt the change very fast. We didn't know anything about this pandemic that time, 2018, but Tony Robbins helped me to change all of our belief. And believe me, I started planning from that time that we should also have something, instead of having only offline training on design, we should have something on online training also. And I started thinking on that. During this pandemic, I was compelled to design all those courses. So I included, now you can study design online also. And that was a learning, and you also need to change, and the adaptation you have to acquire very fast because the world is going to change very fast. And you know, the money always love speed. That has been told by another mentor of my, Siddharth Ratsekar. So if you want to earn more money, then you have to change yourself. And my last learning, the point number 4 which I wanted to share with you today, this is architect Shomali Sinha, the author, entrepreneur and academician, founder director of Profix Institute of Technical Education. And my last point today which I am going to share with you, point number 4, if you continue doing whatever you are doing, then you will continue to earn whatever you are earning. But if you change yourself and if you do some affirmation, if you have some affirmation in your life, you change, you transform completely, then your income and your all other sources of income is also going to transform and you are going to face an abundance. So the best way to join a digital designpreneur mastermind, you can join the digital designpreneur course launched by us. And please like and subscribe if you resonate with this. If it is going to add any value in your life, then please subscribe to our channel and stay tuned. Thank you. Bye bye.